Hi everyone, welcome back to my channel. Kitchen deep cleaning is something we all need to do, but honestly, it's not easy. With kids, work, and everything else, it's hard to find 3 to 4 hours just to clean the whole kitchen in one go. So, here is my simple tip: don't clean everything at once, just break it into parts. Like today, I am going to clean the lower cabinets, tomorrow, I will clean the upper cabinets, and then the gas burner, sink, and countertop another day. This way, your kitchen gets cleaned without making you too tired. I'm cleaning the lower cabinets first. I will remove everything from the cabinets and then use a cloth dipped in soap water to wipe the inside. I use this simple dishwashing liquid mixed with warm water plus half lemon. It removes the dirt and grease easily. I prefer using a mild cleaner to keep it safe and chemical free. If your cabinets have stain and sticky spots, you can sprinkle a little baking soda and scrub gently with a sponge. Once done, I dry everything with a clean cloth and arrange the items back neatly. I will repeat the same process with the other cabinets also. It takes 5 to 10 minutes to clean each cabinet. If you will do it one by one, then it will not create chaos and you will be able to manage the cleaning very smoothly. I prefer to organize each cabinet immediately after cleaning so that the work won't pile up. And if you think any utensil needs to be cleaned, then you can put that into sink and rest you can arrange back in the cabinet. The cabinets which are just below the hob or cooking stove tends to get dirty very fast. I clean it on weekly basis. I hope these kitchen cleaning tips will help you to deep clean your kitchen very smoothly. If you are new on my channel, then please subscribe and hit the bell icon. And if you like this video and find this helpful, please hit the like button and do let me know in the comment section your deep cleaning secret. So here is another tip. Use a damp and a dry cloth to clean your kitchen, especially the cabinets. The damp cloth will loosen the grease and stains, and dry cloth will remove the moisture left behind. Next, I am going to clean the area below the cabinets. Many modular kitchens have a skirting that can be removed. Look at this, so much dust and even food crumbs get collected here. We often forget to clean this space. I sweep the area with a broom or mop with a regular floor cleaner or the solution I am using to clean the rest of the kitchen. This should be done at least once a month. Here I am also using this spin cleaner to clean the floor. I will share more about it in the video later. Now let's clean the upper cabinets. These are high and hard to reach. So I am using my 7-in-1 spin cleaner. This cleaner comes with multiple heads, scrubbing brush, corner brush, sponge, and it rotates, which makes the cleaning super easy. This cleaner is chargeable with USB so you can easily charge it. It has a long handle too, so I don't need a ladder. Just spray the cabinet with cleaner and let the brush do its job. This saves a lot of time and also protects my hand and back. To maintain a white kitchen, this tool is quite helpful. The cabinet should be cleaned in every 15 days, as in the white kitchen the grease and oil reflects more and it makes the surface look yellowish. Once the cleaning is done, clean the surface with dry cloth to add an extra touch of shine. Let's move to the gas burner now. I remove all the burner rings and soak them in hot water with vinegar and baking soda. After 20 minutes, I scrub them with a brush and remove the grease. I also wipe the stove surface using just soap water and scrub pad. Scrub it nicely. Also use a toothbrush to clean the corners or hard to reach places. It does its job nicely. After scrubbing, clean it with a damp cloth followed by a dry cloth to make the surface more shiny. Now it's time for Quartz countertop. I wipe the surface with warm water and few drops of dish soap. I avoid using strong chemicals because quartz can lose its shine. The backsplash area behind the stove gets very oily because of daily cooking. I'm using a mix of vinegar, warm water, and dish soap. Spray it on, leave for 5 minutes, and wipe with a sponge or cloth. For tough stains, you can use a soft scrubber or a magic eraser sponge. After a good scrubbing, I will finally wipe it again with a damp cloth followed by a dry microfiber cloth to make it shiny and clean. Clean the appliances on regular basis. Here is another tip. Remove the appliances like microwave, air fryer from its place and you will find a lot of dirt accumulated under it. Just give it a nice scrub and clean it with a cloth to maintain a nice, clean and hygienic kitchen. Now it's time to clean the sink. You can sprinkle some baking soda all over and then add lemon juice. As I am running out of baking soda, I am using the same solution which I was using to clean the rest of the kitchen. It removes stains and gives a fresh smell. I scrub the sides, the drain area and also clean the tap. Once done, I will rinse it well and wipe it dry. So here is the bonus tip. After everything is cleaned, you can light a scented candle or place a small bowl of baking soda in the corner of the kitchen. This keeps the space smelling nice and fresh. So this was my simple kitchen deep cleaning routine. I hope you found it useful. Remember, you don't need to clean everything in one go. Take one part at a time and clean smart, not hard. So this is the final look of my deep clean kitchen. After cleaning it feels so fresh. Comment your kitchen cleaning hack. Also you can watch my kids room makeover which I have uploaded in the last week. If you like this video, please give it a thumbs up. Share it with your friends and don't forget to subscribe. Let me know in the comments what's the one kitchen area you always forget to clean. Thank you so much for watching. See you in the next one.